Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add a fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy A14. So let's do it. So to do that, just go to settings and here go down and tap on security and privacy. Go down again and we have here biometrics. Okay, and here we have fingerprints. Just tap on this. Now you need to draw your current pattern, and if you don't have one you will need to set one. And now to add a fingerprint, just tap continue, and you need to scan your fingerprint, and here there is the fingerprint scan, and now let's do it. It's very easy, just scan your fingerprint. You need to put your finger here on the power button for a few times. Change the position. Okay. Just a few times. Now it's 95%. Okay. And fingerprint has been added. So it is very easy. Add another one now, just tap done, and now let's exit, and I will lock my screen, and let's see how it works. And it works very well. Okay, one more time. So it's very okay. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.